Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be telling you guys on how you can make your AirPods work on an Android device. Now currently I do not own a pair of AirPods, so I won't be able to show you guys on how you can do it, but it is very straightforward. If you just listen to what I say, it should be super easy for you. So firstly, you want to turn on your AirPods and you want to basically open the case. Once you open the case, go to the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone and basically go to the stay on the Bluetooth settings and see if the iPhone AirPods or just AirPods show up. If it doesn't, what you want to do is on the AirPods case, you know that little button that it has, you just want to hold the button down to turn on pairing mode. And once the pairing mode turns on, the little light in the middle should just keep on blinking very vigorously. And once that happens, all you want to do is in the Bluetooth settings, search for the Apple AirPods and then just press on pair, and that should be it. You will lose out on a few features. You won't have Siri, you won't have the ability to customize double tap. Automatic switching won't be available. Simple setup such as like opening and the AirPod just popping up won't be there. You won't be able to check your AirPod battery, and the automatic ear detection won't be there either. And you won't be able to listen out of one AirPod. You will need both of them in your ear. And spatial audio is not gonna be there for you, so you will be losing out on quite a lot of features, but you will be able to use it on an Android. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.